Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me. If you are ready to quit your day job and make life-changing money in cryptocurrency, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to help you. I'm going to cover news that moves the markets, Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups to help you make some profits. Jumping right into the market. I need you guys to like the video. I'm trying to get to 1,000 likes a video. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. Talked about this bullish retest. Huge upside for Bitcoin. Now, potentially 16,250 was broken. Overhead resistance or next level to watch is 17,200, but we need to zoom in. We need to zoom in to see more information as far as what's going on with Bitcoin. Now, your RSI is overbought, your stochastics are overbought, so your engine's overheating, but this has happened in the past during these parabolic run-ups for Bitcoin. Yesterday's video, just a reminder, so we were looking for, a breakout to the upside. If this trend line doesn't hold, so it's make or break right here, right? So it's short Bitcoin if it drops here, or long it if it breaks above here. Okay, so here you go, boom, move to the upside, right? Potentially, you have to assume you got this rising wedge, it's been respected really well. You have to assume that price action just stays in the pattern until it doesn't. Now, right now, it's sitting at this upper trend line. Again, a breakout to the upside would mean parabolic price action for Bitcoin. You're looking at 17,200, potentially 18,800. There's not a whole lot of resistance up here. So it'd be a quick move to the upside, right? We talked about finishing with a blow off top, some massive move higher, and then a big sell off at the end. Whenever that comes, just know that when this ends, it's going to be a big pump and then a quick sell off. People are going to take profits quickly. Again, we have to assume that this continues in the pattern until it doesn't. So if it gets rejected here, you're looking for a move down to about 16,127. This would give the altcoins some room to breathe. These altcoins would take off considerably. I've got some amazing shout outs to give at my trading group. This person stated my XRP bag is up $28,000 today. So I gave you guys an XRP setup and I'm going to show it to you in just a second. This person, last altcoin season, he made essentially $20,000. He went from $52,000 to $72,000. I mean, so that's what type of earnings potential that we see over these altcoin seasons, potentially even more. This person had 197% trade on Bitcoin. This person made the money back. So he joined the group and then he renewed the group and he made his money back in a day, same day. Group is cheap. You pay for the group in a trade or two. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net, for all the information. You guys remember, here's the XRP setup. XRP, this was given to you guys on the 14th, right here. Altcoin price explosion, right? We've been looking for this. XRP, here it is, same setup. What happened? What happened? moved to the upside, ran up to 29 cents, bought in at 26 cents. Again, you have to think like, hey, XRP is moving. Like, this doesn't normally happen. What's going on here? Right? Things are changing, and understand. And again, this video is just like my plea to show you guys, like, hey, don't be the herd and wait in on these altcoins and FOMO in at the top. Start thinking ahead. Start planting these seeds, right? Plant these seeds. Buy closer to the bottom. Buy before the runs. Buy an accumulation before these coins move exponentially. And I've got some ideas from some other YouTubers potentially that see the vision as well. And so this is just like, hey, don't be the herd. Think ahead. This is like chess. You have to know the moves are coming based on the ideas we talk about on a daily basis. Real quick, this person said that her Bitcoin ATM, local Bitcoin ATM, they're selling Bitcoin for $20,000. Little markup in price. Teller, TRB, I've got a setup for this. I'm going to give you guys at the end of the video. They've opened up their accessibility for users to play with Teller. They've created Teller Playground that allows projects to interact with our protocol in its simpler form, in its simplest form. Again, TRB, strong project. I've got a Litecoin giveaway. So make sure and follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. And so I just tweeted, hey, if you retweet this over on Twitter, I'm going to give away a Litecoin. Now, just to pick somebody random who posted. Now, you've got to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do this again. You have to be a subscriber. Just pick one of these guys. Here you go. Achilles. The next 20x to 50x crypto trend is coming. Again, this is Altcoin Daily, huge YouTube channel. He says that anybody that's written off DeFi is underestimating the strength of the nascent market. Agreed. Like, DeFi is taking off. Like, you have a bunch of coins pumping. I don't even know what they are. I don't even care. I just look at the charts, right? I mean, we're gonna work on this. I'm gonna focus on this more. I'm gonna cover some of these DeFi coins and some fundamental ideas as well. Like, news helps. Yes, for sure. News helps. The news is coming. Really, the end of this month, the beginning of next month, and throughout December, right? All the roadmaps are going to have a ton of news that's going to start to play out, and that's really going to push these projects higher. But all your new projects have this 20x to 50x potential. You know, is XRP going to 20x? Probably. It's going to take forever if it does, right? These coins, I could show you some coins that have 5x'd in a week. 20x and 50x for these $1 million, $2 million, $3 million market caps is easy, cakewalk. You go from $1 million to a $20 million market cap, 20x, easy. Right, so anyways, Altcoin Daily sees this. He says, hey, DeFi is legit. It's about to freaking take off. It's about to run up, 100x potential. This, as an example, hey, here's hard. You know, I posted this setup in group, ran from 46 cents to max gains up here at 75 cents, 60% gains in a day. Everybody's like, hey, should I buy Bitcoin? I mean, if Bitcoin runs from essentially 17,000 up to 20,000, what is that, 15%? Listen, these altcoins are doing this in a day times 4. Hard, huge gains out of this one. You guys probably know these guys. Huge YouTube followings, DaVinci J15, MM Crypto. I even made a video like DaVinci J15 is selling his Bitcoin for these altcoins, and essentially he just said DeFi. Right? DaVinci J15 was even laughing about it. He's like, I made all this money off these coins and they had no fundamentals behind them at all. It's just hype, FOMO, rally. It's crazy. Like, this market, everybody tries to put all these fundamentals, ideas, mainstream adoptions. Like, this just becomes freaking greed, FOMO, hype. It's happening. All the YouTubers are talking about it. We've been talking about it for a while and what it's going to take, and it started. I mean, clearly you can see Bitcoin dominance potentially getting rejected here at this resistance level would help these altcoins completely skyrocket. Again, break to the upside wouldn't be good for the altcoins performance, but this little pocket we have, this little pocket of these small cap DeFi coins, it's like it doesn't even matter because they're so small. It's like maybe there's some coins on Uniswap, for example. Like, they don't even care what Bitcoin's doing, potentially, right? They just keep pumping and pumping and pumping. So we've got a little pocket like that we trade. This is why if I gave this to you guys yesterday, buy the breakout, right? Buy the breakout. Here, it's up almost 9%. 9%. This is XVS, Venus. I gave this to you guys on the 12th, 4 days ago. And then I gave you guys an updated setup, buy the breakout right here yesterday. So we were up 28% in a couple days. And then I gave the setup an update on the setup here. Max gains total over the period of time that I gave it to you, a couple days, 63% gains. Mainnet launch coming. Look at this coin. I mean, Moonshot. Like, do you think this is just normal? This is altcoin season, like a little mini DeFi altcoin season. PRV, I want you guys to focus on this. This is not buy now. This is not buy now. This is buy the breakout. If Bitcoin skyrockets here, potentially this is a BTC pair, so it won't move amazing. And you might end up with this kind of cup and handle double bottom type pattern. But look at this thing. This thing has a ton of upside, right? You see it? Look. When this thing does break out, it's going to have exponential price action. Double bottom. Okay, so how do you find the target here? Look. But you have to understand how to buy a breakout. If you don't, skip this, right? Don't even try it. Okay, so I mean, you're talking about 50% gains potentially when this breaks out, okay? And now you got to have breakout volume down here, okay? You got to buy the breakout, right? Buy the confirmation, the move above this level. Again, all the price targets are listed over here. Here's another one, TRB, Teller. Again, we got into this setup down here. And, I mean, potentially we're up about 30% on this guy, 25% on TRB. We talked about TRB as far as that news go. I mean, you want to buy the breakout. I mean, it'd be even better if you got this pullback to this area and then a move higher. You got a golden cross coming on the 4-hour time frame, right? Not yet, but potentially in a couple days, okay? And then price action keeps bouncing. So, I mean, the biggest move is going to come up here when the price action breaks this level. If this doesn't make sense to you, keep watching the channel because I'm going to help. I'm going to help you guys understand like how to trade these setups, how to trade this market as much as I possibly can. Maybe you need a crash course on this and you want to learn how to trade this market in a couple hours. And I've got videos in my trading group that will teach you how to do that. This is concerning. What do you guys think about this? Ethereum only 18%. Ready to go for Ethereum 2.0 with 1 week to go. This kind of threw a curveball at me. Somebody posted this. And I'm thinking, yeah, Ethereum 2.0, they need 524,000 Ethereum in the deposit contract. And so now they only have 95,000. 95,000. So this long-awaited Ethereum 2.0 upgrade is contingent upon a large amount of Ethereum flowing into this deposit contract. If it hasn't been deposited in time, I mean, potentially Ethereum 2.0 could get delayed. Delayed again. Let's see the chart. Let's look what Ethereum's doing. So, I mean, essentially you had a rising wedge, broke to the downside. It's trying to recover. I mean, some type of breakout above here, you'd be looking at targets above, 491, 518, 550. Okay, so again, you need a breakout of this level. So, I mean, what you're looking for is a move higher and potentially a move down, a move lower, and a retest, and then it takes off. Right? Buy the retest. It's good entry. It takes some practice. If you don't know what I'm talking about, keep watching the channel. Twitter hires hacker Peter Mudge Zatko as head of security. Who's this guy? He is a famed hacker with DARPA and Google experience. Ingenious, right? What better person to run your security than somebody that is, for a living, previously has essentially figured out how to circumvent the security. And Scale now holds more than 500,000 Bitcoin. 500,000 Bitcoin. This is $8.3 billion in Bitcoin. This is not decentralized. Not decentralized. However, keep on buying it. They use it for GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. So if you think about all the Bitcoin that's been lost and these guys stacking up Bitcoin and what Bitcoin's going to do, remember, After the last presidential election, Bitcoin ran up 3,000%. Even if it just does half that, what's your portfolio going to look like when Bitcoin runs up 15x, 1,500%? Just low estimates. Let's be fair. Let's be safe. Let's be smart. 15x Bitcoin. I mean, I'm saying if you got $1,000, next thing you know, you got 15,000. If you got $100,000, you got $1.5 million worth of Bitcoin. Huge gains coming. Crypto community rejoices as the SEC chairman steps down. Now, we've been talking about this. This is potentially happening. This is Jay Clayton, and there's no regulations dealing with cryptocurrency because of this guy. Potentially. I mean, I don't know you can necessarily point your finger at this Jay Clayton, but it hasn't happened. And people are excited because, potential of a Bitcoin ETF is higher, some people say, if Clayton is leaving or stepping down from this position. So during his tenure, Clayton has blocked all proposals for Bitcoin ETFs and waffled on whether tokens like XRP are indeed securities. This whole situation needs to be rectified. You just need more clarity. Like, hey, here's the rules, here's the laws, because right now it's just like a gray cloud. Like everybody's kind of tiptoeing around crypto in the United States, and the United States gets left out in a lot of situations because, like, these exchanges, these cryptos, these coins, they just don't want to deal with the uncertainty because for sure the SEC will come in and fine you like crazy, shut you down, attempt to shut you down in a second, but they won't come out really with some clear guidelines. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.